Happy Christmas Eve, mid-Missouri. We have issued a ABC 17 storm track weather alert day for tomorrow, Christmas Day, in anticipation of some frigid temperatures. Now, I'll break that down for you in just a minute, but I do want to point out what's happening today, Christmas Eve. You can see winds are going to be a big factor throughout the day today and into tomorrow. 10 to 15 mile per hour wind gusts are what we're expecting around 4 p.m. this afternoon. Those will continue to be pretty steady throughout the evening and overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Now, that's where the key factor comes in. Tomorrow morning, you can see 7 a.m. around 10 mile per hour winds, which wouldn't be anything too crazy if you weren't factoring the fact that overnight low temperatures will be in the teens tonight. So you add that to the fact that we have wind, chill, and suddenly we're going to be in sub-zero temperatures. Unfortunately, I think tomorrow's going to be a very cold start to our Christmas holiday, which means it could be potentially dangerous, and that's why we've issued this weather alert day through really tomorrow morning and into the early afternoon. Now, the winds will start to die down in the evening, which will be a blessing as we'll actually be able to warm into those teens, which is where we're actually going to top out today. It's not going to be a warm day by any stretch of the imagination, and you're going to definitely want to layer up because that wind is cutting through our layers. Air temperature will be in the mid-20s, but you can see that that feels like temperature is much cooler than that, and the later we get in the evening, the colder it's going to get. Now, to summarize kind of what we're looking at these next 3 days, it's going to be cold today and tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, arguably pleasant if you're a fan of the cold, but tomorrow morning is going to be frigid. I cannot express that enough. Santa's going to have to bundle up as he drops off those presents here in mid-Missouri, but by Saturday, things will be much nicer. We'll be in the 40s, and looking at the 7-day, Sunday is actually going to be pushing into the 50s before another cold front comes through and drops us back down to more seasonable temperatures to start off the last week of 2020.